Travelers, Future Todd here, and we forgot to show you the last day of our Virgin Voyages cruise aboard the Valiant Lady. Deembarkation Day, or Disembarkation Day. I always want to say but it's Disembarkation Day. And at the end of this video, we're going to answer 3 of the biggest questions that you guys had for us. So enjoy the video, and we'll see you at the end. Day de-embarkation. I got up early. I'm gonna go have some coffee. Michelle is getting ready. I'm taking the stairs because I need to work off all that food I've eaten in the past 5 days. So we will see you guys as we disembark. All off. Everybody has to be off by 10:30. The wake back there is serving brunch this morning, or breakfast, but everybody has to be off the ship by 10:30. So it's a very casual off the ship. I'm gonna go get my final coffee, like I said earlier, and just we'll slowly get off the ship. We all want to be off by 9:30, so the kids are meeting us, and then we will head down. One last look at one of our favorite hangouts, because the game room is right around the corner, and this is where they did a lot of trivias and stuff like that. So this was a great area. I call it the game room. I'm sure there's a different name for it. So they do directional, send everybody in one way. Everybody gets off, so then you have to go away to the gangway. You'll scan your little band right here. This band is like the best thing. Just don't lose it. Don't want to lose it, but we will be heading out. But I'm gonna go get my coffee right here. My great pour over. I get it every morning with my Blue Level. It's a free coffee every morning, so it's been really nice. And it's any coffee, lattes, and espressos, cappuccinos, stuff like that. Today's final pastries, but I'm not going to get one because I can't take anything off the ship. But now they have a strawberry pastry. It is kind of sad now that we see that. We know it is over, but this will not be the last Virgin Voyages cruise for us. I can guarantee you that. This is one of the hottest spots here, and on the ship going into the wave. This is called the dock. Very relaxing. People would just lay around, relax. But as you can see, there's charging ports everywhere. So it was great. But they had a band at night. And then it went this way. And we'll go towards the outside section. We went duck hunting today. Look at these. I found these 3 little guys this morning as I'm getting my coffee. And this was the bar. See, there's the dock area right there. And then if you head this way, you head right out back. Let's see if we can get out back. I want to get one more shot of the city, because we were on the port side. So therefore, when we came in this morning, Michelle couldn't see the city because they kind of did a U-turn to get in. So, oh, it opened. There we go. One last look. Oh, we're back in Florida. You can tell the humidity. Actually, not that bad. Feels pretty good. Hello, Miami. Kind of glad to see you again this morning, but might be seeing you again. You never know. Oh, these beds are really comfortable. Get one more picture of that city skyline. Look at that. I may hate coming to the Port of Miami, but I love looking at the Port of Miami. It is so beautiful. Okay, let's go pack the rest of these bags and get on our way. They even want to make sure you fill up before you leave, so they always have breakfast. And Sir Richard Branson there is telling you to make sure to fill up for your safe travels. Everyone making their way off the ship. We're here waiting for the kids, and then we will disembark. Michelle is ready to go. She's ready to make the drive back home. We got to go see the little kitties.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how they did.
Yeah.
We have a bling ring camera, so we can check on them, so we know they're okay. But yeah, I can't wait to see them.
So we can't wait to see them. Becca and Mike can't wait to go see Jack. But so far, no lines. I mean, everything's going smoothly.
Processes are just so smooth.
They are.
We were saying last night how some of the other cruise lines, when you get to the customs, it makes you feel like you're almost in a prison.
Right.
It's just bleak and gray, and there's people, the custom agents. Here, it's you just walk right in the same terminal you came in on. Like it's
That's
all
really
same.
amazing. The same terminal.
Yeah.
So
Of course, we haven't seen it all the way through, but we saw it coming in. So
we'll let you
I'm
know
sure it's
when
the
we
same.
get through there.
But there's no lines. We got right on
Yep.
the elevator. On this particular ship, the aft elevators seemed to be the way to go. Like our room was in the back of the ship, so we could utilize that.
Yeah.
So not many people.
How did
were
you
on
feel
that.
with the room being in the back of the ship? We'll go ahead and answer this question.
I didn't care one way or the other.
Didn't notice the difference. So
No,
I would
because we
definitely get
literally
back there.
2 floors right out of our room, down the stairs, and you were right at like 4 of the restaurants.
Yep, and four floors up was the dining. So perfect location.
This was the smoothest sailing that I've had on any cruise that we've been through.
Yep.
Like the water was so calm. And last night I got up, it was like middle of the night. I think it was like 2 o'clock, and we were dead stopped. Like, and you could see the whole like Miami.
Oh, really?
Skyline. That was pretty.
Well, you should have woke me up.
Nice.
No, you shouldn't have. I was sleeping too good. Okay. So now we're just
We
waiting
did
for
not
Beck
get
Mike.
to see Miami coming in though, because the way they turned the ship.
They did a pivot.
Our side was away from the Miami side, so we didn't see it coming in.
Maybe next time we'll be on side A instead of side Z. There we go.
The back is a little, I have to say, just because you asked, there's like, you can feel the rumble of the engines. So if they're turning or docking, it'll do like this, and you can kind of feel it.
And
but it's not bad. It
I will say this morning on side Z, you could hear them hooking to the dock, all the forklifts and all that. So if you want a little quieter time,
I was
go to side A.
I didn't hear nothing.
No, because you
When
were
I
up at
went
2
back
a.m.
I went back
That's
to when
why.
I was out.
Okay. Wait for the kids. And here comes the rest of our crew getting ready to get off the ship. How you guys doing this morning?
Sad.
Becca's back there. Yeah, I feel you, Michael. I feel you.
No, not for me.
No breakfast. We're leaving out of here. And walking it one more time. Back to the official. Now she is behind us. One more time. Last one. Okay, down the hallway. That's where we entered, right there. Down the hallway, get through security, and to the car. Made it out of the terminal. If you have a passport, we never had a passport. It was such a hassle. We walked right through. We're out here waiting for Becca and Michael now. There they are. Right there they are, Becca and Mike. We are on our way to Orlando. The 3 biggest questions we had was, 1, was it $21.50? Yes, our cruise was $21.50 all in. That was the insurance, everything. The only other things that we could have bought extra was libations, drinks, and there was no specialty dining. So that was about it. Oh, and fresh squeezed juices and stuff like that. But we got those with our romance package, which was our second biggest question. Was the romance package worth it? 100% yes. For what you got, from the bottle of champagne to the early embarkation, we would do it in a heartbeat again. And we even missed our 3 hours of the spa treatment, which that alone, I think it was like $33 a day or something like that. I mean, so we missed out on that. And then the free pressed juices and stuff like that. So yes, and the goodies that arrived in your room 2 nights of our cruise. So yes. Oh, and there was a special champagne toast up on one of the decks. I think it was deck 17, that all 4 of us even missed. So we missed some of the package, but for what we got for it was $250, and the package is limited. So that's the benefit of booking your cruise early. You can book that package. I think it's 90 rooms, if I'm not mistaken. We'll probably have to do a little more research in that, but it is well worth the $250. Third question that everybody had was Virgin Voyages worth it? 100%. In fact, we are now looking at booking more Virgin Voyages in the future, and we cannot wait. They are doing a Panama Canal cruise. We've thought about that one. There's a California cruise up to Vancouver, and you know what that means. That means I think it's going to be May of 2026, they will be offering Alaskan cruises if you plan everything out right. So definitely 2026, we will definitely be on, hopefully, an Alaskan Virgin Voyage cruise aboard the Brilliant Lady. That's hard to say. Get all those words out. Brilliant Lady. So that will be the cruise ship they use for their Alaskan cruise. Haven't been on that ship, but they're all pretty much the same. So we can't wait to take that in 2026. So we were pretty excited about this series. I hope you guys enjoyed this series aboard Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady with us. And we will be cruising more. We're even looking at some more Royals, some more Disney cruises. Might even try some MSC. And we've heard Princess is coming to Carnival, Port Canaveral. We still got to take a Carnival cruise too. But Princess is coming to Port Canaveral. So we're even looking at taking a cruise on there. So we want to try them all. We love to cruise on every ship's destinations we have now discovered are our way to cruise. We cannot wait to bring you guys all of our adventures and travels. And thank you so much once again for joining us on all of our adventures and travels. It really does mean a lot to us. You guys are our traveling family. That's why we're not subscribers. We're not followers. We're fellow travelers. Like we always say, travelers, until next time, travel and adventure is out there.